This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Terraria for beginners. First, create your character and a new world. A small or medium world size is ideal for new players. Upon spawning, your immediate priority is to gather wood by chopping down trees. Use this wood to craft a basic workbench and then construct a simple wooden shelter. This shelter will protect you from the first night's enemies, which can be quite challenging for an unprepared player. Remember, safety first. Once you have a basic shelter, focus on gathering more resources. Head underground to mine for copper or tin ore, which are crucial for upgrading your pickaxe and sword. You'll need to craft a furnace to smelt these ores into bars. These bars are then used at your workbench to create stronger tools and armor, significantly improving your survival chances. Don't forget to craft plenty of torches. They are vital for lighting up dark caves and keeping dangerous creatures at bay. Combat is a core part of Terraria. Learn enemy attack patterns to dodge effectively and counter with your weapons. Early on, a wooden bow with arrows or a basic magic weapon can keep you safer from a distance. Explore the various surface biomes, like the forest, desert, and jungle, to discover new materials and friendly non-player characters who offer valuable services. When you feel ready for your first boss, like the Eye of Cthulhu, prepare an arena and craft some healing potions for a better chance at victory. As you progress, expand your base to attract more non-player characters. Each NPC, like the merchant or nurse, provides unique services and items. To get them to move in, ensure you have suitable housing, which means a room with at least 60 tiles, a table, a chair, and a light source. Defeating bosses is key to advancing through the game, unlocking new tiers of items and challenges. Always strive to upgrade your weapons, armor, and accessories to face the ever-growing threats of Terraria.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.